Hello again. Today we are going to go through all our major grade 3 arpeggios violin. And we're going to start with D major arpeggio. And in the D major arpeggio, we went through in lesson number 1 on this, we went through how to shift to third position. And we're going to make use of that skill in the arpeggio as well. So the arpeggio, the D major arpeggio, sounds like this. Okay, so first what I'm going to do, in case you haven't got the scale book, I'm going to talk you through the finger pattern really slowly if you want to write it down, okay? So the finger pattern for D major arpeggio is this one. None, 2 on the D string, then change to the A string, none, shift your first finger on your third dot, 1, 3, then go to your E string, 1, 4, back to 1, then 3 on the A, then 1 on the A, and then shift to none, over to the D string, 2, none. Okay, so what we have got, if you want to write down the notes as well, you can. So we got D, F sharp, A, shift to third position, D, F sharp, A, D, A, F sharp, D, A, F sharp, D. Okay, just a little reminder for the shift. So after you open A, you shift to your first finger on your third dot, or if you don't have dots, you put your first finger down when you're feeling the violin against the bottom of your hand. Okay, and you should get this. Right, D major arpeggio. Okay, got that? I think you have. Now we are going to move on to the A major arpeggio. Now A major arpeggio, we start on first finger on the G string. We go up to third finger on the E string, okay? And it sounds like this. And just like in the scale, you got to make sure that you got a nice C sharp, nice stretched third finger on the G string, okay? And I'll talk you through the fingers again, okay? Nice and slow. So if you want to write it down, that would be a good idea. So 1 on the G string, stretch 3 on the G string, 1 on the D string, open A, 2 on A, open E, third finger on the E string, back to your open E, then 2 on your A, open A, first finger on your D, and then third finger nice and stretched, and first finger also on the G string. So we got okay, right, got that. As always, rewind as much as you need to, okay? Doing great. We're gonna move on. F major arpeggio. Like the scale, in lesson 2, we got to start this one in second position. Just a quick reminder for your second position. It's on your D string for your F natural. So if you got stickers, first finger nice and simple. In the middle between your first and second dot, you got F natural. If you haven't got stickers, play nice F natural with your 2, replace that 2 with your 1, and then you're in second position. Okay. F major arpeggio goes between first finger on the D, up to fourth finger on the A string, and sounds like this. And I'll walk you through the finger pattern. Now this finger pattern is quite useful to remember actually when it comes to memorizing, because it's very short and simple. It's just like this. So we got 1 on the D, 3 on the D, 1 on the A, 4 on the A, and then back to 1 on the A, 3 on the D, 1 on the D. Okay, so we've got 1, 3, 1, 4. That's quite easy to remember, isn't it? When it's 2 octaves, the finger patterns tend to be quite long, and sometimes it's not so easy to remember them. But this one, 1 octave, 1, 3, 1, 4, nice and simple to remember. Okay, got that? Right, we move on to the last one for today's session, and that's E flat major. Now, like the scale, we want to have a nice flat first finger, E flat, on the D string. And then it goes all the way up to your fourth finger on your A string, which we also want a nice flat fourth finger, E flat. Okay, and in between, I also want you to remember to squash it first on the A. It sounds like this. So we got nice squashed 1s and a squashed 4. Now, the finger pattern, it's the same as F major actually. So we got 1 on the D, 3 on the D, 1 on the A, and 4 on the A. And back to 1 on the A, and then 3 on the D. Okay, and it goes, let's have a listen one more time. Brilliant. We have D major, 2 octave arpeggio. We have got A major, 2 octave arpeggio. We've got F major, 1 octave, and we got E flat major, 1 octave. Now, my top general tips for learning and memorizing arpeggios are try and sing them. Yeah, if you can sing them, you're very unlikely to play them wrong. If you can sing them right, you can probably also play them right. Okay. Don't worry too much about the way back. Your fingers usually remembers after a while where to go. Okay, so if you remember the way up, then usually your muscle memory takes over going down again. Okay. Finger patterns are good. Not maybe so much for the longer ones, but you can certainly try and use it for the longer ones. But for the short ones, remembering 1, 3, 1, 4 is quite a nice and easy way. Okay, really, really well done. I'll be back very soon with our minor scales. Okay, so till then, have a good practice. See you soon.